Once upon a time in the late 1980s, a young Italian student named Francesco Cirillo stumbled upon a productivity technique that would eventually take the world by storm. Inspired by a humble tomato-shaped kitchen timer, Cirillo developed a time management method that seemed too simple to work, but it did. And so, the Pomodoro Technique was born. In this video, we will explore the history and concept of this technique, learn how to implement it, and discover how it can be tailored to suit your needs, all while addressing potential challenges and solutions along the way. A step-by-step guide to enhanced productivity. The Pomodoro Technique is based on the idea of breaking work into focused intervals, called Pomodoros, followed by short breaks. Here's a step-by-step guide to implement it. 1. Choose a task to accomplish. 2. Set a timer for 25 minutes, 1 Pomodoro. 3. Work on the task until the timer rings, then mark the task with an X. 4. Take a short break of 5 minutes to recharge. 5. Repeat steps 2 to 4 for 3 more Pomodoros. 6. After completing 4 Pomodoros, take a longer break of 15 to 30 minutes. The unexpected benefits of the Pomodoro Technique. The simplicity of the Pomodoro Technique belies its effectiveness. By using this method, you can expect the following benefits. 1. Improved focus. The time constraint encourages you to concentrate on the task at hand. 2. Reduced procrastination. The short duration of each Pomodoro makes starting tasks less intimidating. 3. Better time management. The technique allows you to better estimate how long tasks will take and prioritize them accordingly. 4. Increased motivation. Regular breaks keep you energized and motivated throughout the day, making the Pomodoro work for you. While the Pomodoro Technique is a powerful tool, it may not suit everyone's needs in its original form. Fortunately, it can be customized. 1. Adjust the duration of the Pomodoros and breaks to better suit your attention span and energy levels. 2. Use a different timer, example, a smartphone app, to eliminate distractions and track your progress. 3. Integrate the technique with other productivity systems, such as Getting Things Done, GTD, or time blocking. Overcoming obstacles to Pomodoro success. As with any productivity technique, the Pomodoro Technique has its challenges. Here are some potential issues and solutions. 1. Interruptions. If you are interrupted during a Pomodoro, either pause the timer and address the issue or reschedule it for later. 2. Incomplete Pomodoros. If you finish a task before the timer rings, use the remaining time to work on another task or revise your work. 3. Difficulty in maintaining momentum. If you find it hard to get back to work after a break, consider shortening your breaks or using a timer to keep them in check. The astonishing power of the Pomodoro Technique. In a world where productivity techniques come and go, the Pomodoro Technique has stood the test of time. With its surprising origins and simple yet effective approach, it has helped countless individuals enhance their productivity. By understanding its concept, following the step-by-step guide, customizing it to suit your needs, and overcoming potential challenges, you too can experience the astonishing power of the Pomodoro Technique. It's time to turn your productivity woes into productivity wonders, 1 Pomodoro at a time. As you embark on your Pomodoro journey, remember that the key to success lies in consistency and adaptation. Give yourself time to adjust to this new way of working, and don't be afraid to tweak the technique to make it your own. By fully embracing the Pomodoro Technique, you'll soon find yourself achieving more than you ever thought possible, all while maintaining a healthier work-life balance. So, grab a timer, choose a task, and dive into the world of Pomodoros. You might just be surprised at how much you can accomplish with a little focus and a tomato-shaped timer. Embrace the Pomodoro Technique and unlock your full productivity potential today.